Hi, I'm Peter Kuruvita, culinary ambassador for Dilmah Tea. This is Marley, my son, who is learning how to become a mixologist, using Dilmah Tea to infuse into drinks. But today we're going to bring you a mocktail, because not everyone can drink alcohol, so I think a mocktail is a really nice way to be able to take the flavors of tea into your drinks. And today we're using the elixir range. The elixirs are something that Dilmah's just come up with. It's just pure extract of the tea, sweetened with honey and water. And basically the flavors are so there, and it's so much easy to use. Cocktail bartenders around the world are loving it because it's just so easy to use. But we're also going to use a little bit of Moroccan mint tea, and we're just going to call this, I think, the Jasmine Elixir. So let's go, Marley.
So start off with 40 milliliters of the Moroccan mint tea,
which I'm drinking at the moment.
So that's just a bit more than a shot. So then half a shot of the elixir, then 20 mils of lime juice, which is a bit more than half a shot. A splash of honey water, so 10 mils of honey water. And that gets shaken. Fill the glass with a bit of ice and top up with some soda water.
Really nice.
Garnish with a little lime wedge. That's it.
Beautiful, Marley. There you have it. That is a stunning looking mocktail. Looks like a cocktail, and I think that's the whole idea with mocktails. Make them look like real drinks so that people who drink them don't feel out of place. But also, if you don't drink alcohol, what a great refreshing beverage this is. This is Dilmah Jasmine and green tea elixir using the elixir of green tea. So enjoy.